Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Dogecoin, XRP, ADA, and then ending with Shiba Inu at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. So for Bitcoin, we had the target over here at 96,000 and we are on our way up. Any signs of a reversal to, re-enter it? Yeah, no, it's just green, 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 green. That's it. Full on FOMO. Super bullish for BTC. So it's to be honest, right, 96,000 and 82,000 is not too far away. It's just 18% away for BTC. So yeah, I suspect that once we hit 96,000, there may be a very strong reversal coming on, right? Because this is wave 5 in the making. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the final wave. 5. So more likely than not, a reversal. How low are we going to go? Oh boy, we're going to go past the skinny pink line. In my opinion, we are probably going to go to wave 2. Wave 2 is a very noisy area. So sub 30,000 if and when the time comes. So yeah, there you go. Yes, Trump won. Yes, it's supposed to be bullish for crypto in general. But I suspect that there could be something happening that would pull the price over. Right, there are already signs that we've already crossed the skinny pink line. We did zip through it. Or we zip back up, right? Something like what happened over here, right? This is what happens, right? And there was a rally that came on. So again, this is the rally that's coming on. We're very close to the end of this strong rally. It's not too far away, and yeah, again, the opportunity, right, to enter into altcoins is just here. This is all that's left. So you need to be very careful. Once we hit, like, let's say 90,000, right, you want to be very careful. And you have to secure your profits if and when the time comes. Anyway, Bitcoin is still bullish, so there's still a lot of meat left towards the upside. Ethereum, ETH against BTC. Here we are for ETH. ETH is... Okay, so ETH is still in a bearish trend. It's still in a bearish trend, right? But ETH, in my opinion, is setting up for something really huge. It's not going to happen in 2024. My suspicion is that, one fine day, you're going to see ETH go past back above the skinny pink line, right? The day when this happens is the day that things switch bullish for ETH. And this could be the flippening as ETH flips Bitcoin to become number 1. So there could be something happening behind the scenes which we're just not aware of, right? Anyway, ETH is still largely in a bearish trend against BTC. So more downside is still to be expected for ETH. I think we're going to go to 0.0. Yeah, just a little bit more, my guess. Probably clearing these lows over here. But we're severely oversold. So yeah, a bounce is here. And if you look closely, right, just because there's a bounce doesn't mean, this is a trend change. No, it's not, right? Even here as well, there was a strong rally that came. Let's say we go back in time, right? And you saw a strong rally over here. You're like, hey guys, this is it. Ethereum is turning bullish. Yeah, no, not really. Again, we're still under the skinny pink line. So as it stands, yeah, strong rally came down, strong rally came down, strong rally, but still there's a distance between the skinny pink line and where the price is for FBTC. So it's still in a bearish trend in my opinion. Against USD, yes, ETH had a giant rally that came in. We are above the skinny pink line, but is this sustainable above the skinny pink line? Not too sure. We're not too sure. Right, there was a time when ETH crossed the skinny pink line, and then we crossed back up, and pump, we continued lower, right? We had a consolidation under it. So this is a consolidation under it. And we were anticipating ETH to drop, but it rose higher. So I'm like, okay. How much higher is ETH gonna go? I don't know. ETH is not an interesting coin in this run. In this bull run, it's not. And so, yeah, again, I will preach caution, right? There is a very noisy area over here. So we're hitting resistance. There's a lot of supply at this area. So, yeah, again, this is also a very noisy area, which we hit. You see that? There's a lot of supply. So there's congestion and it will take some time before we find a new all-time high. So, again, in my opinion, best case scenario is ETH comes back down. We form a very nice ABCD. By 2027, 2028, that's it. We go bananas for Ethereum. But as it stands, yeah, no, it's just not there yet. Sol against BTC. Solana is... Okay, again, BTC, we're also very weak. For ETH as well, as Solana It's weak. It's just weak. And we've already crossed the skinny pink line. Right. Not exactly closed under it, right? We just, you know, marking around the skinny pink line. I think it's only a matter of time before we come back down, right? The whales might want to clear up all the clusters of buys over here. We've already cleared this one, right? With this one move. It's cleared, it's cleared. All the stop buys over here has already been cleared with this one move. Right, there's another cluster here and another cluster here. So I suspect that the whales may want to clear everything first. Pew, pew, pew. Go up to this noisy area. And then come back down. Right. So, yeah, again, we're not entirely sure. So at this point of time, there's just nothing much, right? Noisy area. Look at where we stop. Noisy area. Look at where we stop. Right. There was a break here. Again, this is a very long break. So, yeah, I still suspect that eventually, even if you were to rally, right, I think this is what's going to happen. So, very, very careful about going long for Sol BTC. Sol against USD might paint a different picture, right? We had a target over here for 220. Right now we're at 210. We rose to a high of 215. We're very, very close to the end for Sol. Okay, not the end, but very close to target, right? We may take out the highs over here, forming a new all-time high for Solana. Right, but if you were to ask me, right, this is a 1, 2, 3. I think it's a 4. It's the final wave up. This is a very clear wave 3 because wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. So yeah, be careful though. Be very, very careful. The target's only at 220. It's not above the all-time high for Solana. Doesn't mean we can't go any higher, but yeah, I just don't see it for Solana. So there you go. BNB against BTC. Here we are for BNB. BNB is, again, we were saying that once we cross the skinny pink line, we shift to a bearish bias. And so BNB continues to drop lower. As we were mentioning this last week, it just keeps dropping lower. So yeah, that's it. We're going to have to go back to the drawing board and assume that BNB has switched bearish. So how much lower is BNB going to go? I suspect we're probably going to clear these lows. But there is danger over here if you do something like this, right? So it depends, it depends. We'll have to see how it goes. Against USD, BNB, we still have our target over here at 1240 and 1565. It's looking weird as the day goes by. Weirder and weirder, right? And the rallies are so weak. So weak. Again, we're not entirely sure what's happening over here. I suspect that this could be an ABC kind of a chart pattern in the making. Right, going back under $400. So yeah, we're probably gonna clear these clusters as well. Sub 350, 56 maybe. But yeah, I don't have a good feeling about BNB. Right. Yes, we have targets towards the upside, but we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes. Right. I mean, of course, we could just suddenly zip up, but as it stands, from a trading standpoint, it's not too obvious. It's not too obvious. Dogecoin DOGE against BTC. Suddenly, Dogecoin started zipping back up. Maybe like, strange, huh? Because DJT won, Trump won, and Elon Musk is very close to Trump, and Elon Musk endorses Dogecoin. Even his Department of Government Efficiency is DOGE. So it kind of makes sense that there is a potential for DOGE to rise higher. However, not all the Trump associated coins are up. Let me just give you an example. Trump against USD, right? If you look at Trump USD, what happened after he won? Trump actually did collapse instead of rose higher. But Trump won. Yeah. Well, right. However, for Dogecoin, it rose. Strange, right? Trump won. Trump should be the one, rallying. But Doge is rallying. So anyway, for Doge, things were a little bit messy, so it's just not really that obvious to us. So yeah, there's just from a chart pattern perspective, right? It's just not that obvious. Yeah, again, could we still go higher? Yeah, because there are clusters of buys here. Here, right? Here, and also here as well. So yeah, we may go up to, let me just check. Yeah, there's a noisy area over here. So probably around 50 cents. I think we'll probably clear. Wait, let me just check. Yeah, we'll probably clear these two first. 37 cents, I would say. Around 37 cents. Right now at 27, so it's just another 10 cents more. So, yeah, that's Dogecoin for you. That is Dogecoin for you. XRP against BTC. Here we are for XRP. Okay, XRP, just like all the other top coins except Dogecoin, there's a big bearish sharp pattern here against BTC. Big head and shoulders, right? And we still come back down towards the support. So again, this is the ultimate target for XRP BTC. Potentially. This is super duper bearish for XRP. So this could be the collapse of XRP. If it really does, hit its target over here, which is the lows. So yeah, XRP is just not really looking that good against BTC. Against USD, yes sir, we are aware XRP has potential. XRP USD. So XRP's potential is completing a wave E and breaking higher. However, if you want to make sense of this, right, XRP BTC has to be rising far higher compared to Bitcoin, right? And XRP BTC cannot be dropping any lower, right, and breaking the support line over here. Once we break it with clarity, right, I think that's it though. So yeah, so I'm not too sure how this is going to play out. We have targets for XRP towards the upside, but yeah, again, it's we could just drop here, right? It could be this could be a very long consolidation, and this could be rising at the same time as when we are expecting F to rise in 2027, right? So yeah, these are the two targets that we have: 160, 610. Again, we'll have to see how it goes, and we're hopeful that this could turn into something bullish, which means that BTC has to go far beyond 100,000, right? We had our target at 96,000. So yeah, we'll have to see how it goes, right? We are not bullish. We are optimistic, but we're cautiously optimistic. ADA, okay, ADA was a surprise. ADA against BTC, we were like, hey, it's going very close to the lows over here. This is very scary. And then suddenly, bam, we rallied. So hey, that's great. Well, we're gonna be consolidating a little bit more before continuing higher. I don't know, it's possible. So ADA has a huge potential squeeze against BTC. And if and when this breaks out, ADA is gonna be bananas against BTC. We see this on F, and we also see this on ADA. But on XRP, as we just saw just now, it's looking pretty bearish. But ADA BTC looks pretty good to me. However, okay, let's drop down to the daily. Yeah, we have yet to break above the skinny pink line. So the trend is still largely bearish. We have to break above the skinny pink line first and stay above it. Continue higher. So as it stands, yeah, I suspect ADA could go on an accumulation first before heading higher. So that's ADA BTC for you. ADA against USD, sudden spike coming back up. So again, we were expecting ADA to drop to 23 cents, right? Because this looked like a head and shoulders, but this is a head and shoulders at the bottom. So there's always a risk that this kind of thing could happen, a sudden spike up. So this is why a stop loss is very important. And when we are wrong, right, we want to be very clear with the direction, right? We don't want things to be like, up and then down and up and down, and there's no clarity. You want to see strong moves towards the upside, and hey, that's great. And so yeah, obviously, once we clear the highs of the head, right, the head over here, yeah, I think ADA has potential to go even higher over here. Yeah, about $2. That's my guess. Around here. Yeah, there's all classes of buys over here. So that would be like 127, 28. Yeah, probably around here. Right, again, nice area over here, cluster of buys over here. Yeah, but again, the condition is we have to see consolidation. We have to see consolidation first for ADA. So yeah, there you go. Next is Shiba Inu. SHIB against USD. Shiba Inu had a sudden rise as well. Oh, why? Because Dogecoin is up. Dogecoin goes up, everything else in its orbit and its derivative everything that's dog theme will be rising as well, right? And there's one dog theme coin that we have been looking for very, 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 very long time. And I think that it is primed for a break. There's a very tight squeeze coming on. And I hope that eventually we will see that particular coin spike as well, right? So we've talked about it, we've seen it, it's appeared many times before, and hopefully that coin starts blasting off as well, that particular dog coin. Anyway, for Shiba Inu, yeah, we're above the skinny pink line. How much higher are we gonna go? Not too sure. Again, we would love to see consolidation, right? Above the skinny pink line, that'd be great. So yeah, like if you look at Shiba Inu, right? Usually when you're like here, like yes, are we gonna come back down or go back up, right? So break above the skinny pink line, consolidation, came back down. Break above the skinny pink line, consolidation, rose higher, right? Not exactly above the skinny pink line, consolidation right on top of the skinny pink line, and then there's a strong rally. So more upside, yeah, probably, but hopefully it's something tradable though. Hopefully. So yeah, it's no longer valid. Welcome to the life of trading. It's not always gonna go our way. And when things are wrong, we want to be able to shift our opinion immediately. So hey, okay, things could be turning bullish for SHIB, and so we switch our bias to bullish. We were bearish, and then now we are potentially bullish, and so there could be a little bit more towards the upside, right? Yeah, again, classes of high 3972. Oh, we've already taken this out. See this? But we didn't take this, right? Because this is quite a distance. So this one move took out the cluster of buys over here. So I suspect that we'll probably, again, if I had to guess, right, we're probably gonna take out this one next. We're aiming to take out this. So there could be a consolidation to break higher eventually. Right? It may not immediately go higher. We might go up and down and consolidate and bam, go higher. So yeah, that's Shiba Inu for you. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.